Frequent flyers, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. And I'm back out here at the park, y'all. Kinda rainy, but it's not raining right now, so I came out here for a quick flight FPV, y'all. Brought my Pro2 hybrid out here. So about to get this guy up in the air with these new props on it, these Gemfans. So let's get it. A couple squirrels running around out here. Trying to get a quick flight in before I go to work. Take off from right here. If I can. Let's see, I think I gotta sit it down, y'all. Some low flying. There you go. This is doing pretty good for 25 milliwatts. I think it's just 25 milliwatts, y'all. $2S. Uh-oh. Flip over after crash, y'all. Awesome little feature. Flip upside down, you can flip yourself back over. I got some water on my lens now, it looks like. I'm smacking into stuff now, y'all. Sheesh. That's a sign for me to bring it back in. These darn twigs out here, when the leaves fall off these trees, it's hell flying out here. Because you can't see those little twigs and all without the leaves on them. The leaves give you a heads up when you're coming near the trees and the twigs. Bring this guy in, y'all. A little line of sight. Yo. I think this battery might be spent, y'all. Let me bring it in. I don't want to kill the battery. quick little flight of this Pro2 from Beta FPV. It's a hybrid because I got it on the 75X frame. And this little canopy right here is from King Kong or LDARC, one of their little whoops. Thanks for watching.